Thinking about scaling your janitorial business, but not sure if you should franchise or grow on your own. One path brings you rapid expansion with partners. The other gives you full control, but way more responsibility. In this video, we break down the real cost, profits, and power behind franchising versus independent growth, so you don't waste years building the wrong way. Let's find out the right path to your growth within your cleaning empire.
Welcome to Lesson 6.3, Franchise Opportunities versus Independent Growth. In this final lesson, we're tackling one of the biggest decisions for any janitorial business owner who wants to scale. Should you franchise your business or grow it independently? Each path has unique benefits, challenges, and implications for your brand and daily operations. So let's dive into these two growth strategies to help you decide which might be the best fit for you. Franchising scaling through partnerships. First, let's talk about franchising. Franchising is a path to rapid growth by allowing other people, your franchisees, to run branches of your business under your brand. Here's the idea. Instead of investing time, effort, and money into each new location yourself, you bring in franchisees who buy into your brand, follow your systems, and take on the operational workload of managing a location. As a franchisor, you make money primarily through franchise fees and ongoing royalties. So if you've built a strong brand with a recognizable name and a reliable set of systems, franchising could be a great option to multiply your reach quickly. Advantages of franchising. Rapid expansion. Since franchisees bring in their own capital and manage their own operations, you can grow your business much faster than if you were opening each new branch yourself. Reduced operational load. With franchisees handling the day-to-day work, your focus can stay on the big picture, strengthening the brand, improving systems, and supporting franchisees. Predictable revenue streams. Franchise fees and royalties give you a more predictable income, even if a franchise location has fluctuations in revenue. However, let's be clear, franchising requires a serious upfront investment. You'll need to prepare legal agreements, develop comprehensive training and support materials, and allocate resources for marketing and brand development. Challenges of franchising. Initial costs. Preparing to franchise is not cheap. Legal fees, brand development, and franchisee support will require significant capital before you even start signing on franchisees. Loss of full control. As much as you train and support your franchisees, they're still running the show at their location. If they fail to meet quality standards, it reflects on your brand. Ongoing support commitment. Franchisees will rely on you for support, which means creating dedicated resources for training, troubleshooting, and possibly marketing assistance. Franchising is a fantastic option if you're ready to scale fast and have the resources to create a franchise system that maintains brand consistency. But if you value full control over each branch of your business, then franchising may not be for you. Independent growth building from within. If franchising doesn't align with your vision, or if it feels like too much of an upfront investment, scaling independently could be the way to go. When you grow independently, you're in full control of every new location or expanded service area, which means no franchise fees, no royalties, just full ownership. Independent growth is all about investing your own time, capital, and effort into building a multi-location business on your own terms. Advantages of independent growth. Total control. As the sole owner, you get to dictate how every location operates, from service quality to employee conduct. There's no risk of franchisees impacting your brand reputation. Flexibility in decision-making. You can adapt, pivot, and make changes to your business model quickly without consulting or managing franchisees. Revenue ownership. Every dollar that comes in from each location is yours. No franchise fees, no royalties, no shared profits. With independent growth, though, comes a lot of responsibility. Unlike with franchising, you're handling everything from hiring and training staff to overseeing quality control and financial management. Challenges of independent growth. High operational demand. You're responsible for managing every location, so if one team is short-staffed or underperforming, it's on you to handle it. Capital requirements. You'll need capital to hire, train, and potentially relocate staff, rent or buy additional office space, and expand into new markets. System consistency. To grow independently, you'll need strong systems in place for everything, from quality control and scheduling to client communication and accounting. Scaling without losing quality can be tricky if your processes aren't solid. Independent growth is ideal for owners who want full control and have the resources to manage an expanding team across multiple locations. The core difference: ownership versus partnerships. When choosing between franchising and independent growth, ask yourself, do you prefer a collaborative approach where franchisees share in the journey, or do you want to own every piece of the puzzle? Franchise growth is about partnerships, shared risk, and rapid expansion, while independent growth is about ownership, control, and slower, steady scaling. Remember, neither path is universally better. It's all about what aligns with your business goals, resources, and vision for the future. Key takeaways for your janitorial business. Franchising allows for quick expansion, steady income from fees, and reduced daily management, but comes with high upfront costs and a need for strong brand consistency. Independent growth gives you full control and flexibility with all revenue going back into your business, but it requires significant time and effort to maintain quality and scale sustainably. Evaluate your resources. Ask yourself, do you have the resources to franchise, including time, capital, and brand strength? Or does your budget and growth preference align better with scaling from within? Future vision. Think long-term. Franchising may bring rapid success but requires careful oversight, while independent growth allows for more gradual, consistent control. In the end, both paths can lead to a successful, thriving janitorial business. It's all about choosing the one that best suits your personality, resources, and goals. And that wraps up our series. Remember, growth is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time to evaluate these paths, set strong goals, and build a janitorial business that you're proud of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing a service-based business.
Running a small business is like juggling flaming swords while riding a unicycle. Payroll, taxes, benefits, yeah, that's a lot. But what if all that chaos could just disappear? Introducing Gusto, the smart and all-in-one platform that makes handling payroll, HR, and employee benefits feel like a breeze. Gusto isn't just the software, it's a complete business partner. Here's what you get right out of the box. Automated payroll. Gusto's payroll on autopilot means payday happens, whether you remember or not. Tax filings. Forget spreadsheets and late-night Google searches. Gusto calculates, files, and pays your federal, state, and local taxes automatically. Employee benefits, from healthcare, insurance to K-Plan. Gusto helps you offer competitive benefits that keep your team happy and loyal. Time tracking. Integrate tools, let your team clock in, request PTO, and even track overtime, all in one place. Send offer letters, onboarding new hires, and handling paperwork digitally faster than you can say I'm aboard. And best part, Gusto grows with you. Whether you're playing your first freelancer or scaling up to a 50-person team, Gusto adapts without the headache. Gusto was built for people who rather spend their time growing the business than burying spreadsheets. It's trusted by over 400,000 businesses for good reason. Imagine doing payroll in minutes, not hours. Imagine getting your team set up with benefits without needing a PhD in insurance policy. Gusto isn't the future of payroll, it's the present, and it's changing how businesses operate from day one. If you're ready to save time, reduce stress, and actually enjoy managing your team, then it's time to check out Gusto. I've dropped a link in the description that'll take you straight to Gusto, just in case you're ready to make your business life a whole lot easier. Gusto, payroll benefits, all in one, all handled, all done.